Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, I am going to show you how to delete watch history on Instagram. So open your Instagram. Before we proceed, I want to let you all know that it is not possible to see your watch history like in other apps like TikTok. In apps like TikTok, we can check our watch history, but Instagram does not have that feature yet. So it is only possible to check the history if we have interacted with it in some way. So tap on your profile, which is on the bottom right corner of your screen, and then tap on the menu, which is on the top right corner of your screen. Tap on your activity. If you have liked any of the posts that you saw previously, then the post will be under the likes, and if you had commented, then the post will be under comment section. Let's say you want to delete something that you have liked, then tap on likes, find the video that you want to unlike, tap on the video, and then remove the like. So these were the steps. I hope you found this video useful. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching.